Hey, this is GUI Game Dev. In this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use singletons. Singletons are used to start a function from another script. To create a singleton, you must have two scripts, one that has a singleton inside it and one that calls the singleton. To create a script, right-click and press Create a C# script. After you have done that, open the script that you want your singleton in, and to start off, you will have to reference it. To do so, write public, static, your script name and instance. Then in your start function, just type instance is equal to this. Now create a function you will want to start from a different script. To show this is working, I will be creating a debug.log. Within your other script, just type your script name dot instance and your function name. Now drag the script to a game object, and when I run this, you can see it works perfectly. If you want to see some more semi-weekly short tutorials, make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.